Hi, my name is Maria Camila Bedoya. I am 22 years old, and today I want to tell you about what I will have done by 2056. Well, for this year, I will have been 57 years old, and I will have already retired from my job in dentistry because I will have already worked enough. Also, I will have already made some of my dreams, for example, living in my own house with my husband, having two dogs, and having my own dental office. By 2056, I believe that I will have already known some place of Europe, and I will be planning my travel to Tokyo with my best friend Luisa. That's all, and I hope all this comes true. Bye.